Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best stainless steel propeller on the market for Mercury outboard engines. The Young Props Upgrade Stainless Steel Outboard Boat Propeller designed specifically for Mercury engines ranging from 40 to 60 horsepower. If you own a Mercury outboard motor within that horsepower range, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable, durable propeller that not only fits perfectly but also performs exceptionally well in different water conditions. This Young Props propeller is crafted from high-quality duplex stainless steel, which offers outstanding strength and excellent resistance to both seawater and freshwater corrosion. This material choice ensures that the propeller lasts longer, stays shiny, and holds up well even under challenging conditions, making it a practical and safe investment for your boat. The design of the propeller features 3 polished blades with a 13-tooth spline and a right-hand rotation. The polished finish not only enhances the propeller's appearance but also helps improve hydrodynamics for smoother and more efficient movement through water. The size options available cover a range of diameters and pitches, giving you the flexibility to select the perfect match for your engine's exact specifications. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The propeller is engineered to be a direct replacement for your Mercury engine's OEM propeller, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues or complex fitting procedures. All necessary tools for installation are prepared and ready to use, helping you save time and avoid the hassle of complicated setups. Whether you are a seasoned boater or a first-time installer, you can expect a smooth, hassle-free experience when upgrading your propeller. In terms of performance, the propeller's precise engineering contributes to improved acceleration, better fuel efficiency, and enhanced overall boat handling. Whether you're cruising on calm lakes or navigating rivers, the Young Props stainless steel propeller offers dependable thrust and stability, helping you maintain control and maximize your engine's power output. Furthermore, this propeller is designed to fit a wide range of Mercury outboard engines made between the mid-1970s and newer models, including 2-stroke and 4-stroke engines from 30 to 60 horsepower, ensuring broad compatibility across different Mercury series. With a 60-day warranty and a responsive customer service team ready to assist in both English and Spanish, you can buy this propeller with confidence knowing that support is just a message away. To summarize, the Young Props stainless steel propeller combines durability, performance, ease of installation, and excellent build quality, making it an ideal choice for Mercury engine owners looking to upgrade or replace their outboard boat propeller. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in more in-depth product reviews and recommendations, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe boating, and see you next time.